Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rahul. I hope you are learning English in great way. So friend, today in this video I tell you about thinking in English. Friend, English is a very most important for everybody. So you are learning English. So I tell you about thinking in English. If you are thinking in English, so you are doing great. If you are learner and you are basic learner, so I tell you, English for you it's very most important, and you are learning, you are want to improve your English, you are want to your English fluency is good, then you should think in English, because thinking in English is very most important for learning in English, practicing English. So in this video I'm telling about thinking in English. Friend, suppose you are doing any work, you are thinking about that, then you can do very easily. You are not doing that, you are not thinking about that, because you not think about that, then you are not doing. If you think that, then you have to do about. So I'm asking about thinking in English. Friend, you want to improve your English, so you should start thinking in English. Small sentences like I'm eating food, I'm taking bath, I'm doing uh, great, I'm doing something special. So you should speak small sentences, you should speak simple sentences like present. Present indefinite tenses is a simple sentence. You can speak simple sentences, and everybody want to improve your our English. So I also want to improve my English, but I am speaking, I am talk within English. I am asking about you, you are speaking or not. If you are speaking in English, so you should also doing more and more think, because everybody without thinking not do anything. I also think about English, I also think, then I speak, but I am not translate Hindi to English. I am thinking English only. So I am also thinking and speaking. I am think and speak in front of camera. So you should also doing that. Firstly, I also very most thinking in English and practicing in English, but mostly time mm, I think in English, and then now I'm outside speaking in English. If you are not speaking outside, but you are only thinking, so good, but without speaking is not, you can't improve your English. Actually, everybody, why is speaking? If they are speaking because they want to speak, they want to improve, they want to more uh, got influence. So you want to more fluency, you should speaking and outside very loudly speak. Okay, so I think you are doing great way. So you have to speak English. Without speaking is not possible. You can improve. You have to speak and you have to more practice. You have to think. You have to conversation in English. You have to listen in English. You have to speak in English. You have to somebody understand in English. So English, English. Why everyone, everybody want to improve English? Because English is very most important for our life. Everybody want to improve it. Everybody want to speak English because uh, if anybody go anywhere a part of our state, there is speaking different language, and your language is different. So you are, if understand anybody, you should speak English and they have to speak English. Okay, if you go to any another country, there is also another language. So English is an international language, and English is a very virtual language. So I hope you are understand what I tell you about in this video. So I think you are do very well. I think you will do about in this video what I say you. So friend, I will meet next video, then I tell you about another thing about English. So friend, if you are watching this video, so please like and share and subscribe my channel, and comment which type you are thinking, what are you thinking about English. Thank you watching for this video.